Welcome to the 2025 Skills Blueprint, Navigating the New Economy. This video explores how to harness global trends to build a high-income career. We are facing converging megatrends. The climate transition, technological disruption, and demographic shifts are fundamentally reshaping the labor market. While this transition presents the opportunity for a net gain of up to 530 million jobs, it also poses a challenge, potentially causing job churn impacting up to 1 billion roles globally. Analysis of the climate transition shows significant job growth in foundational sectors that form the building blocks of a new, sustainable economy. These include energy and fuels with 195 million potential jobs, agriculture and land use with 175 million, and construction with 20 million. Let's look at a digitally driven opportunity, the cybersecurity boom. Driven by global digitization, the demand for cybersecurity talent is exploding, creating exceptional opportunities for skilled professionals in a high-leverage, high-reward marketplace. In Ireland in 2024, the cybersecurity market is candidate-driven, with demand outpacing supply. There are over 6,000 open cybersecurity roles, and professional sentiment is overwhelmingly favorable, with 52% reporting a favorable or very favorable outlook. The financial premium for roles like security architect in Ireland demonstrates the high value of cybersecurity expertise. Salaries range from €44,000 at the entry level to potentially €210,000 for highly experienced professionals. Success in the new economy requires a high-value skills formula, a combination of technical mastery, which we call hard currency skills, and human ingenuity, which represents irreplaceable abilities. Looking at earning potential in the U.S., skills like data science and analysis and cybersecurity offer the highest average salaries, followed closely by generative AI and web development. These skills directly address critical business problems. We also need human-first abilities, which are transversal skills difficult for AI to replicate. These include analytical and creative thinking, leadership, agility, and strong communication skills. To future-proof your career, global shifts are creating historic opportunities. Your blueprint for success is a potent combination of technical mastery and human ingenuity. Start by identifying your skill gaps, embracing lifelong learning, and building your 2025 toolkit.